To make chevron bracelets, you will need tape, scissors, and embroidery thread. Let's get straight into this. Here's what the pattern looks like, just some downwards arrows. This is probably one of the first ones I made, so it's not perfect, but here's just an example to show you that it does get better and your chevrons will be a lot nicer than this. This is just my first one for example. I'm using 4 strings. This is definitely possible with 3 strings, but I just don't think it comes with the best outcome. So you can do 4 strings or you can do more. I'm using 4. So you want to take on your strings, measure it to a wingspan's length. Once you've got a wingspan's length, you're going to want to fold it in half and then cut it at the top. So now you have 2 strings, and you're just going to want to do that for all of the rest of your strings. I've cut all of the strings and now I'm just going to organise them. So when I make my bracelets, I like to lay them out and organise them before I tie the knot. So here's how I do it. You want to make it a mirror image to set out your strings. What I'm doing is green, pink, blue, purple, purple, blue, pink, green. And I just find this easier, so after you tie the knot, it's more aligned. So you just want to gather your strings together. I'll show you now. On the top, tie a loop. Oh, apparently I can't tie a loop. Loop here, and you just want to bring all of the strings around and through, and then pull it tight. I like to budge mine close to the top so that I'm not wasting any string. Tape it down, organise your string, making sure that all of your strings are mirrored. I just want to point out that if you're doing the adjustable bit, you do the adjustable bit, tie a knot, and then you organise your strings. To start off, I'm just, how I make my bracelets, I make them adjustable. You can watch my video on how I make my bracelets adjustable so they fit on your wrist and they come off your wrist. So I'm just going to do that, but if you don't want to do this part, you don't have to, you can just skip it. So to start your chevron bracelet, you're going to make the first knot, and you're going to use your first string to the left, make a 4, grab the tail end of the string, put it under your second string, and then pull it up. And then you want to do that again, a 4, under, and up, and that's a forward knot. And then you're going to set your second string aside, and you're going to move on to your third string. Make a 4, get the end of your string, go under, pull up, get the end of your string, make a 4, put under, and pull up. Now you're going to set your third string aside, and then you're going to do it on your next string, make a 4, grab the end, put it under, and pull it up. Do that again, and pull it all the way up. Now you want to put this string aside, and you're going to leave this green string here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab this string, so the one on the furthest to the right, and you're going to do the same but with a backwards 4. So you do a backwards 4, grab the end of the string here, and you're going to put it under, sorting out the Wi-Fi, I think he just fell from a ladder. And then you're going to pull it under and pull it up. Do a backwards 4 again. Pull it under and up. And that's one backwards knot. And when you're making bracelets, backwards and forwards knots are very basic knots that you normally use in literally every bracelet. You want to do a backwards 4 again, put the tail of your string under, pull it up, backwards 4, under your second string, oop, drop my string, under your second string, and pull it up. And you want to set this string aside, and then take your third string, and you do this for however many strings you have. You want to make 4, pick this string up, put it under, go, and then you want to set this string aside. Okay. So then when you've got these two strings together, you can either do a forwards knot, which I always normally do a forwards knot. So once the two greens are together, you do forwards, and then place it back down. So this is what my first row looks like. It won't look perfect because the first ones never look perfect. It's just how they are. But you just keep on doing exactly what I told you for each and every string, and then you'll just get a chevron just like this. I'll show you my first bracelet I did actually. This was my first ever chevron. It is attached to my sister's water bottle, as well as many others, and this is what I would say is what you, after doing a couple tries, this is what your chevrons should turn out to be like. Look really nice and I know, neater. So now I'm just going to continue doing the same. I'm just going to tighten this knot here. I'm going to continue doing the same thing for every string, and I'll make a time lapse so you can see what I'm doing. Once you've done your pattern, take all your strings, loop them like this, and then pull the end through the loop, and then tighten it as close to the pattern as you can. So I just budged mine up quite a lot. Yeah, and I'm just gonna do my little braid thing, but this is how I make my chevron bracelets. And chevrons do look good on the other side. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. I hope this tutorial helped make your chevrons a lot easier. See you next time, bye.